Hey, we are off to Old Spaghetti Factory. It was like minus 42 with the wind chill out. Going to meet Ken Lobson, the Chief Operating Officer. Old Spaghetti Factory. Gonna do a walkthrough of the new place. They're totally done their renovation. Gonna see how the place turned out. Hear a little bit about the Old Spaghetti. Give you guys an all-access pass, and that's it. Gotta go. It's getting cold. And we're here, Old Spaghetti Factory, the new Old Spaghetti Factory in Saskatoon. Alright, Ken said this is the staff room, so if you're watching this video and you're planning on working here, chances are you're going to be having lunch in here. It's going to look a little more styling when Ken's done with it. That's right. When we first got here months ago, we smashed out this walk-in, bunch of shelving in here. Hey, we're here with Amrat, so he is part owner of this location of the Old Spaghetti, right? Yes, sir. And you've been with Old Spaghetti for 10 years. Cool. Yeah. So tell us a bit, we're in the kitchen here. Obviously you guys have done a full renovation. Renovation. You've obviously worked in the kitchen, I'm assuming?
Trained in the kitchen.
Okay, that's usually where it's
emergency is only I'm allowed back.
Yeah. Cool. How many guys
Typically in the daytime we run probably 6 prep guys do prep.
Yeah.
And then nighttime 5 guys busy
on your line?
On our line,
yeah. Cool. Front of the house, how many staff? Depending on the day, right?
Depending on the day. Weekend you're probably gonna have 25 front of house staff. Probably, like 16 servers, bussers, and experts all together.
Right on.
Yeah.
Cool. So are you moving here then, or what?
Yeah, I moved January 1st.
Cool. How are you liking it?
So far so good. Yeah, we grew up on Lambert Cres, so I'm used to the city already.
Well, how about the weather? No? It's only minus 42, man.
Yeah,
and the wind's calming down, so it's kind of just like a typical January day for us.
I don't mess with the cold.
No? Okay.
Run with the car.
What do you want to tell people of Saskatoon who've never heard about Old Spaghetti? Like, what should they expect when they come here?
Great service, friendly staff. Value is going to be great. It's all included. With your entree price, you get soup, salad, tea, coffee, ice cream within the meal. Just expect a good time. Come say hi to me. Carmen, Kaylee, who managers are from Vancouver as well. Yeah, it's gonna be a good time. Thanks for welcoming me to the city.
End of a busy day, sit down in one of the booths after. What do you order for yourself? Like, what is your go-to?
Mine, chicken parm, sub meat sauce on pasta.
Cool.
Nice and hearty.
Right on. Yeah, I'm looking forward to coming. I like to eat, man. So I'm looking forward to coming and trying everything on the menu. So thank you for your time. We'll be seeing quite a bit of meat, because like I said, I like to eat. So and that's about it. Right on. Thanks for taking the time. All right. Well, hello there. What can I get for you? My bartending skills were off back in the day, but now I just sell restaurant equipment.